Hello children, now we will start the new lesson of EVS. Where does water come from? Now we will look at book. See. Choose the right answer and put correct next to the proper picture. If your answer is different from all the given pictures, write it in the empty box. Now see, what do you drink water from? We can drink water from glass. We can drink water for this. Then we can drink water from this. Then we can drink water if we don't have anything, and if we are thirsty, and if we saw the drinking water tap, we can drink it with our hands too. This is tap. We can't drink it directly from tap, but we can drink it with our hands. Then we can drink water from no, this is not a proper thing to drink the water. What is this drinking water stored in? Drinking water is stored in jug, in pot, in bottle, or in this. Here also we can put it here. Then this is the water tank. Then where do you think this stored drinking water comes from? Stored drinking water may come from well or this dam. This is actually drinking water. Boring water is useful for drinking also, but if it should be checked first and then we can use it. Otherwise we can't use this for drinking. Then directly from rivers, or sometimes it may used from lakes like this. Where does all this water come from? The main source of water is rain. The answer to this question is rain. All the water that we get comes from rain. When it rains, some water flows over the ground, giving rise to rivulets, streams and रिव्हर्स. म्हणजे काय, पहिल्यांदा रेन वॉटर जे येत असतं ते जमिनीवरनं, त्याचप्रमाणे त्या जमिनीवरनं किंवा डोंगरावरनं जेव्हा वाहतं तेव्हा ते त्या नद्यांच्या, झऱ्यांच्या, ओढ्यांच्या स्वरूपात पुढे जातं. सम वॉटर कलेक्ट्स इन लो लाईंग एरियाज, दस लेक्स आर फॉर्म्ड. म्हणजेच काय, काही ठिकाणी लो लेवलची जिथे लँड असते तिथे पण ते पाणी साठलं जातं आणि लेक फॉर्म होतात. फ्लोईंग रिव्हर इज समटाईम्स ब्लॉक्ड बाय बिल्डिंग अ वॉल. दिस इज कॉल्ड डॅम. when it doesn't rain, the water from the dam can be used. म्हणजेच रेन वॉटर, रेन काय कंटिन्यू असतो का नाही, म्हणजे यावेळेस एक्सेस रेन वॉटर असतं ते नद्यांमध्ये, नद्या त्यावेळेस भरपूर वाहत असतात. मग अशा वेळेस त्या नद्यांवर डॅम बांधले जातात. म्हणजेच तिथे बांध घालून पाणी अडवलं जातं आणि ज्यावेळेस पाऊस नसेल त्यावेळेस त्या डॅममध्ये साठवलेलं पाणी हे फार्मिंगसाठी वगैरे ॲग्रिकल्चरसाठी वापरलं जातं. सम रेन वॉटर seeps into the ground. To obtain this water, we dig wells. This water can also be taken out by using hand pumps and bore wells. त्याचप्रमाणे काही पाणी जे जमिनीत मुरतं ते खोलवर जमिनीत साठलेलं असतं आणि ते मग आपण बोरवेल्स किंवा हँडपंप्सने ते पाणी वर घेतलं जातं. समटाईम्स वॉटर इन द ग्राउंड कम्स आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्प्रिंग्स. Some sources of water are formed naturally. However, places like wells and dams are man-made. If rainfall decreases, the water stored in these places also decreases. You can see such water sources in your locality, taluka or district. Study the district map given alongside and complete the activities. म्हणजेच तुम्ही हे डॅम वगैरे बघू शकतात. आपल्याजवळ कोणता आहे तर राधानगरी डॅम आहे, कोयना डॅम आहे, हे आपण जाऊन तिथे बघू शकतो. हाऊ इज अ रिव्हर फॉर्म्ड अँड हाऊ डज इट फ्लो? Rain also falls on the high places like mountains. This rainwater flows down hills. Numerous rivulets of water flowing downhill join together to form a river. A river flows down mountains and plateaus, through valleys and over plains. Water bodies. Flowing water and stores of water are examples of water bodies. Springs, streams, rivers, lakes, reservoirs, creeks, seas, and oceans are all water bodies. Landforms. Due to the high and low levels of land at different places, land gets different forms. Mountains, peaks, hills, hillocks, plateaus, plain, passes and valleys are some of the landforms. म्हणजे लँडफॉर्म्स पण वेगवेगळे असतात. वॉटर बॉडीज कुठल्या असतात तर वेगवेगळे लेक, रिझर्वॉयर्स, क्रीक्स, स्ट्रीम्स म्हणजेच नद्या, नाले, ओढे, नंतर हे लेक, आपला रंकाळा लेक आहे तसे लेक, हे सगळे मिळून वॉटर बॉडीज होतात. त्याचप्रमाणे लँडफॉर्म्स म्हणजे छोट्या छोट्या हिल्स असतात, नंतर हिलॉक्स असतात, माउंटन्स असतात, प्लेट्यू असतात, असे सगळे मिळून लँडफॉर्म्स वेगवेगळे फॉर्म होतात. रेन वॉटर सीप्स इन टू द ग्राउंड. इट सीप्स डीप इन टू द ग्राउंड थ्रू cracks in the soil and rocks. Even under the ground, it flows from a higher level to a lower level. This groundwater comes out of the ground in some places. That is what we call a spring. स्प्रिंग म्हणजे काय तर जमिनीमध्ये जे पाणी मुरलं जातं ते पण हायर लेवलकडून लोअर लेवलकडे ते पाणी वाहत असतं आणि काही वेळेस त्यामधनं त्याचे जे कारंजासारखे जे उडायला लागतात त्याला स्प्रिंग्स म्हणतात. This map shows you the water bodies and landforms in our district. The water bodies are shown in blue, landforms are shown in different colors. These colors are given according to the height of the region. Now this is Kolhapur district major water bodies and landforms. Here are the colors. Very high, for it this color is used, brown. For high, orange color is used. Yellow for moderate and green for low. This symbol is for peak. This is for district headquarter. This is for taluka headquarter. This symbol is for river and this is for lake reservoir. Now you have to study this map with the help of your parents. The Sahyadri mountains is to the west of our district. Of the many hill ranges originating from this mountain, write the names of two in the box. You have to find it and write it here. Trace the course of Panchaganga river. You have to find out the Panchaganga river which flows into the Krishna river. Then look at the rivers in the southern part of our district. Here are the directions. You have to found part of southern. Then draw a box around the names of two of them. Find the river that flows along the northern boundary of our district. Put a circle around its name. Circle the name of the plateau in our district. We have to solve it with the help of your parents. Take 3 bottles of the same shape. Fill 1 bottle to the brim with water. Imagine that you are the only one using all this water. This means you can use all the water in the bottle. Now fill the second bottle with water. Imagine that another student from your class will also use this bottle with you. Divide the water equally into the 2 parts. Now see how much water you get. Is this water less or more than the amount you had the first time? Now fill the third bottle. Imagine that 4 other children in the class besides you will use this water. Now you will have to divide the water in the bottle into 5 equal parts. Now see how much you share of the water is. Is the amount of water you have this time less or more than the first 2 times? Now what will happen? It is less. Now Rahul and Saguna drink water. After playing, they wash their hands and feet. They bathe every morning and wash their plates after eating. However, they use too much water while doing these things. Their mother scolds them. They wonder how they should use water carefully. What good ideas can you give them for using water carefully? Now, if you called rainwater, Mizoram and Cherrapunji are Mizoram and Cherrapunji are 2 places in India which receive the highest rainfall in the world. In summer, however, there is a shortage of water in these places. The same thing occurs in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. This is because adequate efforts are not made to store rainwater. Storing rainwater will help solve this problem.